Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in microbiology called quality control and quality assurance in microbiology. Have you ever wondered why laboratories follow strict rules while collecting and processing samples? Even small mistakes can lead to wrong diagnoses and treatments. That is why quality assurance is essential in microbiology laboratories. It ensures accurate and reliable results that clinicians and patients can trust. First, let us understand the meaning of quality. Quality means meeting predetermined requirements of users for a particular service or product. In microbiology, quality means providing accurate and dependable laboratory reports that guide correct clinical decisions and patient care.
In this video, we'll break down key QC and QA steps, show common controls, highlight errors versus correct procedures, and end with practical best practices. Before that, subscribe to this channel for regular paramedical-related videos.
Proper sample collection starts with correct patient identification, appropriate container selection, and following collection protocols precisely every time. Labeling and documentation prevent mix-ups. Use unique identifiers, timestamps, and chain of custody notes to preserve sample traceability. Transport and storage rules maintain sample integrity. Temperature control and timely delivery are crucial to avoid degradation or overgrowth. Processing must follow validated protocols. Standardized steps reduce variability and make results reproducible across technicians and shifts. Use calibrated instruments and consumables from reliable vendors. Expired reagents or uncalibrated devices introduce systematic errors. Documentation of each step creates an audit trail. Clear logs, timestamps, and signatures support traceability and error investigation. Controls are tests run alongside samples to check that processes and instruments perform correctly every time. Positive controls confirm that assays detect the target organism or marker. Negative controls verify absence of contamination or false positives. Internal controls validate each sample's processing. They detect inhibitors or procedural failures that could invalidate a result. Equipment calibration and maintenance schedules are part of QC. Regular checks prevent drift and ensure consistent performance. Proficiency testing and external quality assessments benchmark a lab against peers and detect systemic issues beyond daily QC. QC charts and trend analysis reveal gradual shifts. Visual charts help teams spot patterns before they affect patient results. Contamination is a frequent issue. Prevent it by using a septic technique, separate work areas, and proper waste disposal procedures. Mislabeling or sample swaps occur under pressure. Double-check identifiers, use barcodes, and implement two-person verification for critical steps. Instrument failures cause erroneous outputs. Monitor instrument logs, perform daily checks, and respond quickly to alarms or unusual QC results. Interpretation errors can misclassify findings. Encourage peer review. Use decision support tools and standardized reporting language. When errors happen, document root causes, notify stakeholders, apply corrective actions, and update procedures to prevent recurrence. Use subtle motion graphics to compare incorrect and correct procedures side by side to train staff and reinforce best practices visually. Establish clear SAPs, maintain training programs, and verify competency regularly. Well-documented procedures form the backbone of quality assurance. Perform internal audits and welcome external assessments. Regular review identifies gaps and drives continuous improvement across the lab. Create QC dashboards that highlight real-time metrics like control results, instrument status, and turnaround times for proactive management. Foster a culture that values reporting near misses and learning. Encouraging transparency prevents issues from becoming patient harms. Quick checklist recap, correct collection, accurate labeling, validated processing, routine controls, calibrated equipment, documentation, training, and audits. Quality control in microbiology protects patients by ensuring accurate results. Commit to these practices and continuously improve for safer care.